Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find app management. Let's tap. Then let's go to special app access and tap on install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app and then tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.